To celebrate the 1-year anniversary of the Bit Squad, we are going to be giving away $1,000 in Bitcoin for the months of March and April, along with 2 Nano Ledger S's. An extra $100 prize will be available for those who join the Telegram group. Like and comment on every video in March and April for the maximum number of entries. You must be a subscriber to win. Hey Bit Squad, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to be looking at 3Commas and Signal profits and how you can use them together if you want to, follow a trading group. If you want to listen to advice, take what people say that know how to trade and make money, and you don't want to do the work yourself, then this is a route you may want to go. Now, of course, I do have affiliate links down below. But before we get into this video, I do want to say this. If you are doing my giveaways and trying to earn $100 in crypto because that's more than you have, Signal Profits is not for you. If you think $10 is a lot of money in cryptocurrency to you personally, wherever you live, wherever it may be, that's fine. Signal Profits is not going to be for you. If you are a person who wants to trade based on other people's advice that know what they're talking about, and you have a substantial amount of money to trade and to play with, then you may want to consider Signal Profits. But I would say this. There's not another group out there that I would ever put on my channel or promote. Maybe you guys have seen me put the Signal Profits banner below where I'm speaking on some of my videos. And that's because I know Jacob and I know Mark, and I know that they know what they're talking about. I know them personally. I've had many conversations with them. Mark Moss has been on my podcast. Absolutely incredible. So, if this is not something you're interested in, then you know what? That's okay. You don't have to watch this video. If you think that when the volatility of the market returns, as we've seen over the last few days, and there is, a possibility that you want to maybe listen to someone else's trading advice instead of trying yourself, maybe you're terrible at it, then you may want to try it. And Signal Profits, it's got a, 14-day trial for $7. The price does go up substantially from there. So like I said, if you've got less than 4 figures in crypto, probably not something you're going to want to do. But, if you're going to use a group like Signal Profits, or if you choose to use any other group, which I wouldn't suggest, who knows? Maybe you know somebody that's really good and you just listen to their advice. You're going to want to use something like 3Commas here. So 3Commas is basically a way that you can set your buy orders and your sell orders and your stop losses very easy. So we'll get into 3Commas here in just a second. We're going to go over Signal Profits really quick. And I do want to say this. I also feel like that people are going to say, BitBoy, you're only putting this on here because the market went up. Absolutely not true. I had this video planned for about 2 weeks. I've been talking with 3Commas about doing a video for them because I honestly think 3Commas is one of the best trading tools out there. So it's a coincidence. The market pumped. I'm not trying to show you guys. I'm not trying to make money, whatever it is. I do have some affiliate links down below. Use them. Don't use them. I don't really care. But, I really believe in Signal Profits, and I really believe in 3Commas as well. So let's start here with Signal Profits and kind of show you what a trade looks like there, or a signal, if you will. If you look here at the top of the screen, it's got some, different menu items: trading, investing, training. There's some different training you can go under. They do have a referral, program, which I obviously have the link down below for if you want to try it out. But, if you come over here and you look at this signal, this is Ambrosis, which coincidentally has just been going through a little crazy time. And that's why they say it's high risk. Now, on this right side here, you're going to see the targets. So this one has 3 targets. Some have 2, some have 4 targets, okay? So basically what you're going to do here is you're going to set 3 different targets for this trade. Now, this is a short to midterm trade, and the current price here is 1442 Satoshis, so 1,442 Satoshis. And you look at the targets, and you see that the targets are 1,950 Satoshis, 2,100 Satoshis, and 2,300 Satoshis. The number next to the targets is the percent gain you would get. So if you split your trade into the 3 targets, so you put 33% of the amount that you want to risk, okay? 33% on each of the targets. You would make 16% on the first target, 25% on the second target, and 37% on the third target. Now, you can also see the stop loss here. So you can set the stop loss. It usually sets it at about 5%. So you can go ahead and adjust that number as well. And we're going to show you how to put all this into 3Commas and how it makes it so easy to do. So the entry here is between 1,630 and 1,730 Satoshis. So we're going to kind of ignore where the price is right now, because basically the long and the short of it is, just on this weird coincidence, today Ambrosius had this really crazy bad news that came out of left field, talking regarding VeChain basically. So we're going to kind of ignore where the price is right now, because I'm just going to kind of show you how to set this up. So the entry here is between 1630 and 1730. So it's obviously fallen below that range. It would have already hit the stop loss, but and that's when you have the stop loss in there for unexpected stuff that could possibly happen. So, okay, so here's how we're going to set this up. We're going to go over here to 3Commas. Now, this is the 3Commas dashboard. As you can see, I do have the pro subscription here. Now, before we get into how to set up this trade, just want to show you guys a couple things about 3Commas. They do have your API here. So you can click here if you want to grant API tokens. And when you click my exchanges, you can see I already have a Binance plugged up. As you can see, I have almost nothing in here, like same thing I did when I showed my Shrimpy account. Don't keep stuff on exchanges. If you want to connect a new exchange, you would just hit plus here, and you would, whichever one, you can see all the ones that they support right here. Like you want KuCoin, you'd hit KuCoin, you put your API key in, you get the API key, the API secret, and the API password. You get the key and the secret from the actual exchange itself. So you would log into KuCoin, you would get that, and then you'd put it on here. I'm assuming a lot of you guys probably know how to hook up an exchange to a third-party API, but maybe you don't. So, you get these right here from the exchange itself. You transfer over here. Binance is the same way. I've already got mine set up, but if you needed to, you do the API key and API secret. Some of the exchanges are going to have an extra password you have to put in to kind of confirm. But here are, those are the two main things. If you're into trading bots, they also have trading bots. As you can see, all of the trading bots are up today. Obviously, if you would have went back in the thick of the bear market around November or December, you would be down. So, it just depends. Each one of the bots do different stuff. I'm not too into trading bots, so I can't really explain to you exactly how to set them up, but I can show you how to set up the trades. Okay, so let's set up our smart trade based on the signal of Ambrosius for signal profit. So this is how you set this up. It's really easy. It can be kind of difficult if you've never done it before, but this is how you do it. So you never want to risk more than 5% or 10% on one trade at the very most. If we come over here to signal profits and you see that this one is high risk, you may want to make this a lower percent. So this, when we're talking about percents, we're talking about how much money do you have to risk on one trade. So how much crypto do you have that you're willing to trade with in general? So let's say you have 2 Bitcoins, and 2 Bitcoins is what you trade. That's not what you invest in. It's not what you hodl. It's we like to say in crypto, it's what you actually trade with to try to make more profit. So if you had 2 Bitcoins that you wanted to overall trade with, then 5% of that would basically be 0.1 Bitcoins, right? So what we would do here is we would come here and we would hit 0.1. Now, since I don't actually have any money on my exchange right now to do these trades with, you could just hit this. You could hit 10%. If you hit 10% or if you hit 5%, it's going to automatically populate that number, but I actually don't have the money sitting in my account right now. I'm not personally actively trading. This video is really to show you how to use this. But so I have 2 Bitcoins to trade total. I want to risk 5% of it on this trade. So I'm going to put in 0.1 Bitcoin. That's 5%. So that's going to equate over to 7,057 Ambrosius that I'm going to buy total. Now, the asking price right now, I told you guys to kind of ignore this because it's lower than, when the signal was set earlier today based on that really bad, news involving Ambrosius. But, you can set this to whatever you want. So let's say that we went over here and let's say that right now the entry is 1630 to 1730. And let's say that the price moved up to 1750. And so you're out of the trading range at that point. What you could do is you could go ahead and come over here and set your buy order for, let's just say you wanted to go ahead and grab it. Like, let's say it had a little dip. You want to set it at 1700. So there you go. Also, you could leave off the zeros and it's the same thing, but we're going to keep them in there for right now. So then you want to set your take profit. So this is where you want to split your targets because we have 3 targets we're going to use, remember? So you look over here, we have entry 1, entry 2, and entry 3. So we're going to want to split this into 3 targets. So you hit plus split targets, okay? And you're going to add 2 more targets because we are going to do 3 different ones here. So the first one we are going to set is going to be, I set them all on accident, okay? So the first one that we're going to set is 1950. So we're going to put 1950 in, okay? And we're going to do, let's just say, or that's going to tell you your profit there. So we're going to hit split profits, okay? And how much of the, the 10% or of the 0.1 Bitcoin do we want to trade here? We're going to split our targets evenly. So we're going to put 33% here because this is 1/3 of our targets. So then we're going to hit add another target. So you add that one, it automatically populates up here, 1950. As you can see, 33% of what we're trading total. And then you're going to want to put the next one in. So the first one was 1950. The second one was 2100. So we're going to put the 21 in here. So once again, don't have to put the zeros in, but I did. And it automatically is going to be set at 33%. So you set it in. Now you got your 1950, your 2100 target. Then the last one is going to be 23. So we're going to come over here. We're going to type in 2300. And then we're going to want it to be 34% just to even it out and make it even. So we're using 100% of our allotted amount of Bitcoin that we are, trading. Now, of course, it doesn't have to be Bitcoin. You can do other trading pairs, of course. And there we go. Now it is set. But we got to set the 5% stop loss, right? We got to set the 5% stop loss. And I don't know if you guys have ever tried to do a stop loss on Binance or some other websites. I've had a hard time with it. Honestly, I've only been able to make this happen through 3Commas. Maybe I'm an idiot. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing, but I successfully used Signal Profits and 3Commas together for months without messing anything up. And like I said, recently I've moved on into some positions where I'm not trading at all right now. But so here we go. Let's go ahead and set the stop loss. So all you got to do is we want to make sure it's the exact amount of Satoshis that it has here, which is 1,550 Satoshis. So all we do is come over here, hit 1,550. Once again, the zero is not actually necessary. Right now, that's negative 8% based on, what we set there. But, and that's it. Now, there is something called a trailing stop loss that you can check. And there's also a trailing buy. Kind of what that means is like a trailing stop loss is you want to keep it at negative 5%. So if the price keeps pumping, your stop loss stays at negative 5% of whatever the pumping price is. So that might be something you want to play around with. But once you do that, all you do is hit create trade and it's done. That's how easy it is to set all of your numbers, all of your targets, and you don't have to use Signal Profits for this. Like I said, I'm not going to push any other group on my channel. And also, like I said, I'm not pushing this. If you want to do it, please use my link. If you don't want, it's totally fine. If you want to use it and not use my link, that's totally fine too. But this is not for people that have $100 in their bank account. It's not for people that have $200 in crypto. You guys just please keep that in mind. Don't kill me on the video. Don't say, oh, you were shilling this and shilling that. Don't say that. I'm not. I'm just giving it to you just like it is. I'm trying to show you guys, if this is a route you want to go, then this is something that you can use. And if you're going to use a trading group, whether it be Signal Profits or any other, I highly suggest 3Commas because it makes it so easy to do. You can set it all in the morning in about 10 minutes and be totally done for trading for the day. And you know, let's face facts, guys. If the volatility of the market continues like it has the last few days, then what we may actually see is an incredible trading environment. Over the last several months, actually the last 2 months have been pretty good for trading, but over the bear market for the most part, let's say from the late summer on to January, February, it wasn't a great market to trade in, if we're totally honest. So, you know, you guys keep this in mind. Keep it in your back pocket if it's something that you want to use. This is how you do it. You can come back and watch this video. I do have an affiliate link for both Signal Profits and 3Commas down below. If you're going to use 3Commas, I would like it if you would use my link. That lets them know that, you know, I'm doing a good job promoting them, which I'm trying to do here through the affiliate link only. This is not a sponsored video in any way. But I really do believe in 3Commas and that it is a great trading tool. So I hope this video has been helpful to you, especially if you had never seen 3Commas before and didn't know how to set all of your exchange trades from one spot with the API. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got something out of it. And that's it. So I'll see you guys later. I'm at Bitcoin Ben's meetup this weekend. If you're there, come find me. Good boy out.